Namaste. Sakshi, that is Sri Aurobindo Kapali Shastri Institute of Vedic Culture, is a registered charitable trust. The aims of the trust are three: preservation of the Veda knowledge, propagation of the Veda knowledge, and research in the Veda knowledge. As far as preservation is concerned, Sakshi has translated all the 25,000 mantras from all the four Vedas and has published in 26 volumes and made available to all the interested people. As far as propagation is concerned, Sakshi is focusing on making popular the meaning of the Veda mantras. As all of us know that there are several Vedic Pathashalas spread all over India. Point is that all these Pathashalas teach the pupil only the chanting of the mantras. There are very less efforts concerned to teaching the meaning of the mantras. Hence, Sakshi has focused on propagating the psychological or the secret or the inner meaning of the Veda mantras. Research on the Veda. People frequently ask the question, what is there in research on Veda? The point is that each and every Veda mantra are meant for enhancing the human potentiality. From this point of view, Professor Kashyap, the founder of Sakshi Trust, has translated all the mantras giving stress on this point. So this is the point of research that Sakshi is propagating. As a part of propagation of the Veda knowledge, now we are announcing a course. The course is Applied Veda Knowledge. It is a 6 months course mainly to introduce the Veda lovers about the application of the Veda knowledge. Normally, the Veda mantras are considered as some poem, some poetry to be chanted during several occasions like marriage, Upanayana, Samhoma, Havana, etc. But we have understood that every mantra can be applied to the human needs as and when the occasion or the necessity arises. The course is 6 months duration. It is affiliated to the Karnataka Samskrita University in Bengaluru. Every alternate Sunday, that is second and fourth Sunday of a month, we will have the course, that is 3-hour duration on every alternate Sunday. Basically, there will be 2 sessions. The first session will be to introduce or make you more familiar on Veda knowledge in the modern context. Professor Kashyap, who is a Harvard PhD and who has taught electrical and computer engineering at Purdue University, West Lafayette, USA, will be dealing. He has the background of translating all the 25,000 mantras. There are several topics. What is Veda? How many Vedas are there? Who has seen the Veda mantras? And what are those interpretations? And how the life and Vedas are interconnected? How the modern science is viewed in the light of the Vedas? As such, like so many topics which are concerned to our life each and every day are introduced by Dr. R.L. Kashyap. The second session of 1.5 hours deals about the Vedic gods. Veda rishis have seen the gods as the cosmic powers. Indra, Agni, Saraswati, Ganapati, Aditi, Soma, Surya, Savitru. Like that, there are several gods. Each and every god has got his own power, and they will address to a faculty or a potentiality in the human being. For example, Agni is the lord of willpower in the human being. Indra is the lord of the clarity in thinking in the human being, and Saraswati is the goddess of inspiration in the human being. All these aspects, with the help of the direct mantras, are made known or taught to the participant in the class. We have also introducing the chanting of the mantras which are needed for chanting every day. So this is a basically online course. All the lessons will be broadcasted in online, and the participants can hear them, view them, and as and when they can revise them. They have got also the chance to ask questions and get answers from the conductors. We will also suggest the participants to study lot of connected things which are the publications of Sakshi. At the end of the course, we will conduct an examination online, and the examination papers are evaluated by the experts, and based on the result, a certificate is given to each and every successful participant. Thank you, and I invite you to join to this course and be familiar with Veda knowledge, which is the foundation of Indian culture. By joining this, you will be helping yourself and helping the society in large. Namaste.